Applied research as it is evolving at SAIT and in a polytechnic and college environment, I think will be critical to Canada and critical to the regions we serve in terms of future innovation and commercialization of discovery research. My name is David Ross, and I'm President and CEO of the Southern Alberta Institute of Technology. Our applied research centers at SAIT, we've been building them now for close to 2 decades. And at the very cornerstone of their development has been the notion of innovation across a number of sectors critical to Alberta and the economic success of the region. We take it upon ourselves to identify where funding is available. We can bring resources to the table and invite industry to help us solve problems and to help us commercialize opportunities here in the province. And over the years, that's meant the development of several centers of excellence, including green technologies. We now have an advanced drone program, one of the only in Canada. And over the years, there have been thousands of industry partners participate through those centers. And over a given year, we'll have several hundred industry partners approach us with ideas, with opportunities, often based on discovery research that they think they can commercialize and bring to market. We can take those ideas and build them to scale, build prototypes, and bring innovation and value to those ideas. So you can imagine the commercialization opportunities in the area. A lot of things get discovered in Canada, and the Polytechnic College sector can become very powerful in moving the innovation and research agenda forward across Canada.